What's going on, crypto family? It's the Crypto Machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, with your latest crypto insights. Hey, so Elephant Money, there was a sell-off on March 31st. I mean, all the tokens didn't get sold, but it was a significant drop in the amount of tokens that were held out there, and then it rose back up, dropped back down, rose back up, dropped back down again. So I mean, this volatile pattern that this token is displaying. I mean, when you have people buying 91 billion selling 91 billion tokens and then buying 47 billion, I mean, it's just going to go up and down for right now. But in the last 24 hours, there's been more buys than sells. So that's a good sign. But when you have whales come in and do things like this, I mean, it makes me uncomfortable. Where they can just come in and either tank the price or increase it. It will. I mean, if you want to call it manipulation or whatever you want to call it. But I sold mine. They still tell you, they have 377 million in Elephant and 26 million in Trunk Stampede. I kept the Trunk Stampede because all I'm going to do is compound this. But I did sell the Elephant off. I mean, it's not financial advice, but what happens if, some of the bigger whales of this token, sell it off again, if another sell-off comes and it dips down, the price dips way down here, I'm good. Until this thing can stabilize or have a upward trend and have it to where, people aren't able to tank the price whenever they want. I'm good. But I will be continuing to do Trunk and Stampede and continue to compound that and roll it over and try to get passive income out of that. But this is just a little scoop on Elephant Money. People are still buying this. Bank Teller, he's been in the Telegram. And he's been talking about, different things that they have coming up for Elephant Money and how it's going to be great and all this stuff. I mean, and I'm not saying he's lying or anything like that. I'm just saying, as far as the Elephant token, I had to bow out of that. I gracefully bowed out of Elephant token. But for Trunk and Stampede, I stayed with it. So I'm going to compound this and just keep and see where this goes. And until next time, have a good day. Peace.